Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks, and I'm here today with Mayank. We have to do our chocolate chip cookie dough song today. So can we start with our ones? Push the chips into the cookies with your ones, and then how about your twos? Nice and curved. And push the chips in with finger number 2.
Making cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies. Curve your knuckles. Just 2. 1, 2. Here's 2. Can you curve your knuckles like this? And now put your hands back up in the air. Drop your 3s down. 1, 2, 3. Can you drop down 3? Just 3. Right here. Drop it down. There it is. Now how about 1, 2, 3. Drop your 3. Push the chips in with finger 3 on both hands. Both hands. There you go. Keep your knuckles curved. And now your 4s. Can you drop your 4s down like this? That's good. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4. And 4. There you go. Push the chips in with 4. And now 5s. Pinky. Keep your pinky curved. Alright, let's try it with our song. Get your 1s ready. We have to go first with 1s.
1, 2, 3, 4.
On the sides.
2, ready, go. Balance 1 on inside tip. Press that little chocolate chip.
1, 1, 1, 1.
Find
Now
number 2.
start with finger 2. Balance 2 on fingertip. Press that little chocolate chip.
2, 2, 2, 2.
Now start with finger 3.
Good, Maya.
Balance 3 on fingertip. Press that little chocolate chip.
Curve your
3,
knuckles.
3, 3, 3.
Now start with finger 4. Balance 4 on fingertip. Press that little chocolate chip.
4, 4, 4, 4.
Now start with finger 5. Balance 5 on fingertip. Press that little chocolate chip.
5, 5, 5, 5. Make a round donut shape with fingers 1 and 3.
1 and 3. Can you find number 3?
Right,
1, 2, 3. You put 3 and 1. And let the other fingers go free like this. Make it nice and round. Oh, see how that knuckle's caving in? Keep your knuckle round. Now this hand too. 1, 2, 3. Finger donuts. Good job. All right, can you push the red square to stop the video?
yeah.